As you can see, we are way further down the road with our project. We have a mold resistant drywall all up and are in a process of taping, finishing and skim coating the walls and ceiling, and this is the most fun part. Obviously, heating cable all in around the freestanding bathtub, and you can see we have a 3-slope linear drain shower with it will be obviously curbless walk-in, and we have a heated floor coming on the shower floor as well on this last triangle piece, and a little bit behind the freestanding bathtub to promote some drying from overspray from the shower. And we'll put one niche right behind the bathtub and probably 2 niches somewhere here by the shower head. So we are just waiting for the floor heat cable inspection, which is a electrical safety authority requirement here in Ontario. So, and obviously we do things the right way, so we expect no problem with that, and then we'll waterproof everything and start some tiling. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.